In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Outlook app is not opening in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having trouble with this, the first and premise step is all about what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type your Ford Outlook like this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to right click if you're having this, or you have another way, you have to click on the Outlook app, then navigate to app setting. Now from here, once you get into this, we have to scroll it down and over here you can see we have an option called terminate. Go for the terminate, go for repair, and once the repair is done, you can go for the reset. These three steps can be done. This is quite easy. Once after it's been done, you have to close this. Now we have to go over here in the search, type here for the run command and you have to just press enter. Now we need to type %local app data % and just go for OK. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Microsoft. From here we have to scroll it down and find the folder called OLK, and also you'll be having another folder called OneAuth. These two files are the reason why this is happening. So go for the trash icon and make sure that you have to delete this completely from here. Now you have to go back and try opening your Outlook and you will not be having any kind of trouble afterwards, and this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.